So, Tryhard's Paradise got claimed.
Oh, yay, my favorite. Oh, fuck you guys.
If you haven't already seen it, it's a parody of Gangster's Paradise.
Been wasting most our lives living in the Tryhard's Paradise.
And the people who claimed it are the original creators of Gangster's Paradise, so I don't believe that's fair. This is a parody. There's literally no similarities in the lyrics. This is my own original creation, and it's completely covered by fair use. So I disputed the claim, and they denied it. Typical. I don't want to take it up another level. It's just not worth my time for the money that I'm making on this video. It's not like a super viral video. If it was, I would fight harder to protect it. But my easier solution was to, get ready for this, was to claim my own video.
The prophecy is true.
So now I'm splitting the revenue with the creators of Gangster's Paradise. If you ever just can't be bothered to fight an appeal to the fucking death, this is a good compromise. Hope it helps.